Gemini! What's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today, Gemini, gagawin natin ang yung reading for the month of September. Tingnan natin guys kung ano ba mga dapat nung asahan na mangyari or possible na mangyari sa inyo for the month of September. Take note as well that this is just a general reading guys. So maaring mag-resonate, maaring hindi. Ayan, pasensya na po, sinisipon ako at medyo makatakin lalamunan. Ayan, so take note as well that this reading is just a general reading. Maaari kayong makaresonate, maaring hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, okay? So, Gemini, ilan na ba to? Ang dami na. Kuha na tayo ng mga dalawa pa. So, kamusta naman kayo guys? So, wait, kuha lang ako ng dalawa pang cards. 2 more cards please for Gemini. About what they can expect. Okay, thank you. Tingnan natin tong color green na ito. Let's see. You have your career. Okay, career, it will be very significant for you on the month of September. Then we have here March. Maybe may mangyayari sa March. Okay, may mangyayari sa March or yes, March will be significant for you. And we have your teapot. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. So maaring meron kang, kung babae ka, meron kang girlfriends na maybe you will hang out with or magdideepen yung bond nyo. Then we have here lobster, financial pinch. Okay, konting push pa sa finances. Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. So magkakaroon ka daw ng success. Just make sure that you put hard work on it and also planning, good planning results to success talaga. Then we have your dagger, fears, worst 10 situations. Baka magkaroon ka ng mga 10 situations. Mag-iingat po tayo, Gemini. Maaari may makabangga ka or maaari maipit ka sa isang sitwasyon. Then we have your wheel, indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. So, hayaan na. Parang gumuho ang lahat sa'yo, Gemini, okay? Kasi, I think darating ka daw sa point in September na parang di mo na alam gagawin mo and parang gumuguho na lahat. Then we have your rat, someone working against you behind your back. So, meron daw taong nagpa-plot sa'yo. Ayan. Someone na nagpa-plot sa'yo, someone na nag-iisip na atakihin ka, ganyan. Or something plotting against you. So, mag-iingat po tayo. Okay, so let's see. Ano pa mga dapat asahan pa ni Gemini for the month of September. Okay. Lang guys. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's see. What is the theme of the month for you, Gemini? You have here the Chariot card. You could be dealing with a Cancer. Okay, but this talks about moving forward. Travel maybe. So baka nag-iisip ka mag-travel. Moving forward, travel, leaving something behind, iwanan lang nakaraan. Maaring may nakipaghiwalay ka with someone, Gemini, and you're just letting it all go. Could be the highlight of your month. What are the challenges that Gemini needs to overcome? You have your 3 of Wands. Yun na, yung panindigan mo, I guess, yung pag-iwan sa isang sitwasyon, okay, na pinili mo ng iwan, okay, I think because medyo complicated yung sitwasyon, maaaring may nagagalit sa sitwasyon na hindi kayo dapat magsama, ganyan. Okay? Maaaring meron kayong mga may mga taong tutol sa relationship nyo or taong tutol sa sitwasyon nyo. Okay? And hindi siya ideal to parang magstay. Ano nyo na, for relationship man yan. Okay, what about their major accomplishments? You have your 5 of Pentacles. I think makaka-recover ka na when it comes to your finances. Gemini, makaka-recover ka na with your finances. Kung in the past medyo nagsastruggle ka financially, feeling mo walang-wala ka, or halos wala ka nang madukot sa bulsa mo, I think by September, magbabago yun. Finances will improve and there will be a light at the end of the tunnel. World card, there will be some sense of fulfillment and completion. Okay? Sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? Maybe you're letting go of something or someone and you will focus more on the things that matter. Ano pa mga major accomplishments ni Gemini? By the time of September, we have your King of Pentacles. Baka may makilala kang person. Gemini could be a boss, could be a businessman, could be some type of a leader. That could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, na maaaring maging potential suitor or potential option sa love. Mag-ingat lang din sa totoong intention ng tao na to, or mag-ingat lang din sa talagang hidden intention ng tao na to. Kilalanin mo muna bago mo ibigay ang iyong sarili. Then we have your Hermit card, could be a Virgo. May malalaman kang balita about someone. Okay? Meron kang truth na lalabas about someone and may ibang tao magsasabi nun sa'yo. Okay? Now, let's check about your career. Kamusta ang career ni Gemini for the month of... Wait, pili ako ng ibang cards. Should this be? Or, okay. Wait lang guys. Ito na lang, para visual pa rin. Gusto ko kasi yung mga cards na talagang kitang-kita mo yung drawing, yung graphics. So, sa area ng pananalapi, kamusta si Gemini by September? Kamusta po si Gemini by September sa area ng pananalapi? 7 of Swords. 7 of Swords. So, I think meron kang pilit na gagawin by the month of September when it comes to your career and finances. I'm getting as well something na hindi mo makukuha. Something na hindi mo makukuha. Something na, I don't know if this is employment or a business. What is the 7 of Swords all about? Kitang-kita yung hindi maayos yung finances mo in the past. High Priestess and the Temperance card. And the 3 of Wands. So, meron kasi dapat i-correct, pero parang hindi sinasabi. Meron kasi dapat i-correct sa isang situation, kaso hindi sinasabi. Okay? Kaya ending, hindi nagawa. Okay? Does this mean an end of unemployment for Gemini? May bagay na hindi ka makukuha. I don't know kung incentive ba to, title, something na nilatag sa'yo, pero hindi mo makukuha. Okay, how about finances? Anything else about career and finances? Page of Wands, may bagay kang sisimulan related to creativity. Maaring mas maging creative ka, or maaring may pasukan kang linya of creativity that will help you possibly boost your finances. 8 of Wands, I think you're gonna act on yung mga naiisip mo na projects, mga thoughts, and most of them are pending projects siguro to. Pending projects na parang nilet go mo na nun, pero it will, parang itutuloy mo and ipupush mo. Okay? Because parang gusto mo rin gawin to mga bagay na to. Sa area ng love, kamusta si Gemini? You have your Chariot card. So, I think you are really leaving something behind and moving on to something else. You have made a big decision to leave someone behind and move forward, move on. But I guess this person, kung sino man tong iniwan mo, Gemini, does still love you and they want to come back around. Okay, Queen of Swords. Kaso, may nakita akong parang, I don't know, third party ba to in the mix na ayaw? Or parang hindi daw ideal yung situation nyo. Hindi daw dapat matuloy. Could be someone na may pera. Okay? Ikaw, you will focus on your stability while this person, I think, still wishes for you. Okay? I'm just curious, who's this Queen of Swords? The Hermit card. Someone na mainit na ulo sa sitwasyon. Someone na maaaring nagmamasid lang sa inyo, kumakalat ng balita sa inyo. Okay. Okay, kuha tayo ng dalawang card. Isang card lang pala. Isang card as oracle card sa career. Anong masasabi sa career ni Gemini? Anong masasabi sa career ni Gemini? Anong masasabi sa career ni Gemini? Dalawa. The past. See, I told you, meron kang mga past projects. Ayun o. Something from the past is returning. Maybe an old job or an unfinished project. Past things, past hobbies, pending projects na isinantabi mo muna na babalik. Okay, gagawin mo ulit. Look to the past to understand the future. A lesson, an experience, or an old skill. Okay, old skill. Maaring bagay itong ginagawa mo noon. Bagay ito na naisip mong gawin noon. Kaso parang hindi natuloy or hindi mo muna tinuloy. Ganyan, hindi natuloy. So, ngayon, binabalikan mo siya. And money could be coming your way from something you did in the past. Sorry, hindi pala kita. Money could be coming your way from something you did in the past. So, something daw na ginagawa mo noon will contribute to your finances. I just said that kanina, diba? And then health. Some situations requiring resolution will be resolved and healed. Okay, so I told you na yung finances nyo parang medyo struggle kayo before, pero by September mag-i-improve siya. Okay, there will be a major turning point or a major like parang improvement when it comes to money. And then we have here, consider careers in the medical field such as massage therapy and healing work. So maaaring may healing energy kayo, guys, and you're being advised to consider career in the medical field like nurse, caregiver, doctor, no? Could be, baka makatulong sa inyo. It's time to replenish your energy and fully recharge for what's next. Okay, so you're being advised na magpahinga. Okay? Magpahinga, mag-recover sa mga nangyari para fully recharge daw kayo, fully magawa niyo yung mga dapat yung gawin in the future. Then, sa love, let's get some oracle card as well. Tell me something, ano magiging love life ni Gemini for the month of September? You got here, between the line, looks for what's hidden. So, I think parang may nagmamasid sa'yo, Gemini. May nagmamasid sa'yo, may nagmamanman sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung third person but definitely may nagmamasid sa'yo, okay? Natutol dun sa taong karelasyon mo. What else? But definitely, meron ditong tinatry kang basahin and maghanap ng parang info about sa'yo in between. We got your twin flame. Maybe you have dealing or you will deal with your twin flame, or you have dealt with your twin flame. You also have your divine timing. Believe in the right timing. So, kung medyo nadi-discourage kayo, na wala pa kayo love life, focus lang guys, okay? So, sabi dito, at the right time, i-reveal ni universe kung sino yung para sa inyo talaga. Okay? Ito. Ano pa ba? You have your home foundation. Maaring may family ka na. And maaring mag-focus ka lang sa family mo. Okay? Ano pa ba? Ano pa bang pwede natin malaman? So, tingnan natin to. Ano mga messages pa kay Gemini? Yan, itong tarot deck na ito. Mga advices. You have here, don't let your focus close you to new ideas. So, huwag mo daw hayaang ma-discourage ka. Okay, once na-reject ka, huwag mo daw hayaang ma-discourage ka. Huwag mong i-close out yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na parang hindi mo nakuha, mga ganun. Open yourself still, and it has ended and finished for better or for worse. Nagland siya dito, I think, diba? So, I think this is about love life. So, talaga daw natapos siya. It's meant to end, okay? Whatever it is, talaga daw nag-end siya. What else? Messages for Gemini for the month of September. You have here, find work-life balance to protect your creativity. So, huwag masyado magpagod na magpagod. Baka kaya to help, no? It's time to replenish your energy and fully recharge for what's next. So, huwag daw masyado magpagod na hindi na nagpapahinga halos, Gemini, no? Kasi baka masira ang concentration and lalo magka-problema. Lalo magka-problema, okay? And lastly, holding on too tight can stop you from moving forward. So, yeah, huwag masyadong career, magpahinga din. Okay? Or I think may nagtatry mag-hold on sa inyo. And lastly, one last card. Okay, thank you. Make your decision and take action with confidence. Card of walking away, so you really walk away from something. And maybe I'm seeing nangingibabaw yung 3 cups dito. So maybe it's a third party. You choose to walk away from a third party situation, and it happened for good reasons, okay? Huwag mo dito, I think hindi mo na tinitingnan yung nawala sa'yo. You're just focusing on the benefit na ginawa mo sa isang sitwasyon na pag-iwan dito, kasi baka it's for the greater good of everybody. Alright, so yun lang naman, Gemini. Thank you so much for watching. That's all what I have for you, Gemini. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you so much, Gemini. Have a good one. Bye!